Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Ford Edge Titanium. Starting right away up front, you have LED running lights. A look down the passenger side. You have 20-inch chrome wheels wrapped with Scorpion tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch. And this Edge is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist liftgate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Titanium on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.